First Squadron, under the command of Midshipman Anorico Joaquin and his staff, Midshipwoman Harabata Jeka, Midshipman Lunas Mark TJ, Midshipman Agbo Kevin J, Midshipman Makaso Don, Midshipman Kala Calzada Sian, Midshipwoman Fernandez Ellen.
The Alpha companies under the command of Midshipman Pasha Ron and his staff, Midshipman Habal Joyce, Midshipman Abes Jerry, First Platoon Leader Midshipman Moten Jersa, Second Platoon Leader Midshipman Colantes Kim. The Bravo companies under the command of Midshipman Desalesa Kenneth and his staff, Midshipman Pelongo Ray, Midshipman David Roberto, First Platoon Leader Midshipman Derecho Dave, Second Platoon Leader Midshipman Alaisa Francis.
Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the passing of colors, led by Midshipman Pareño Isaac.
The second squadron under the command of Midshipwoman Darias Francia Lane and her staff, Midshipman Barreto Rosel, Midshipman Del Campo John Lloyd, Midshipman San Juan George, Midshipman Eschavo Hilary Joshua, Midshipwoman De Rama Tricia, Midshipwoman Oclarino Eliza.
The Charlie Company is under the command of Midshipman Belen Carlos and his staff, Midshipman De La Cruz John Arcel, Midshipman Salgado Nash, First Platoon Leader Midshipman Carvajal Kurt, Second Platoon Leader Midshipman Bodino Alexis. The Delta Company is under the command of Midshipman Ekat Francis and his staff, Midshipman Timaco Jao, Midshipman Sinoldong Charles, Midshipman Presbytero Angelo Christian, First Platoon Leader Midshipman Ongaria Ralph, Second Platoon Leader Midshipman Latosa Justine.